In this video, we're going to talk you through a pre-programmed program inside the controller. As you can see, the program starts with the default screen which reflects the temperature. First, what we will do is we will choose the program. We will use the function key. That will give us the program number. If we wish to choose another program, we will use the up or down indicating arrows. In this case, we will use program 1. And to be able to scroll through your program, which runs across your program graph, you will use your right or left arrow keys to go through those particular steps. This first step is a delay. If you wish to have your Kilns start after a specific time, this is what you would use. You will again use your up and down arrow keys to enter your data. In this case, it would be a delay of 7 minutes. But we are going to have no delay. 4 dashes reflects no data. To enter any data in any step, you will again use your up or down arrow keys. The lamp will indicate if it is a time data or if it is a temperature data. In this instance, it is a time indicator, and we can set a delay of 4 minutes. To move to the next step, you will use your arrow indicators left and right, and as you can see, we have moved to the first up ramp on our program. This has been set at 120 degrees per hour. As you can see, both time and temperature are lit. We will move to the third step, which is your first set temperature point. That has been set at 300 degrees. Again, if you wish to increase that or decrease that, you will use your up and down arrow indicating keys. Our next step will be our first soak. As you can see again, this is indicated in time and is 10 minutes. We will now move to our second ramp up. You will see that it has been set at 250 degrees, and both the temperature and the time light are illuminated. We will then move to our second set temperature, which in this case is set at 1000 degrees. Again, the temperature lamp is illuminated. Then we will move to our second soak time. This has been set at 10 minutes. That will be the time you will sit at your designated temperature that you have set. In this case, it was 1000 degrees. After the 10-minute soak, you will then not need any further data in the rest of your program, because we do not need this for ceramic programs. This will be indicated by either 4 dashes or 2 dashes and a dot and 2 dashes again. That indicates there is no data in these particular steps, as we can see here. We will then return to the default screen, which will reflect the temperature in your kiln at that current stage. In this particular instance, the temperature is sitting at 23 degrees, which is normal room temperature. We are now going to just confirm that the program that we have set is the program that we wish to run. We will go to the first step, which is the delay. There is no delay. First ramp will be at 150 degrees. We will go to 300 degrees. We will sit there for 10 minutes. Our second ramp has been set at 250 degrees. To achieve 1000 degrees as our next set point, it will sit for 10 minutes, and then there is no data, and the program will switch off, and this will be indicated by end at the end of your particular program. If you are happy then with the program, you will then press start, and your program will start running, and this will be indicated by your processing lamp.